Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Ywigs once more, because Ywigs do have some really bomb quality wigs. So yeah, they just have their site listed here on this bag. Most of the time I get the packages in this drawstring bag, so the box is inside here. So the box is branded Ywigs as well, and there's something else in the bag. Ooh, I got some headbands. I love them company here just come out, because I've been getting a lot of really nice, cool, cute headbands since recently. This is so nice. No, tell me the truth. Comment down below in the comment section and let me know if this is nice. This is nice. I really do love olive green, so that's really cool. That one here nice too. I mean, not my favorite, but it's alright. It's okay. Oh, this one is really nice. I like this one. Yeah, I like that one here. This is really nice. It's cute. So, and I'm going in a box. And then I see a wig cap. We have a card, return exchange policy. That's what's on this card here. And then we have the hair, and that's all that is in the package. So for today's wig, what we got is a headband wig. Alright, so yeah, I bought the headband wig recently in a previous video, and today I have a next headband wig, but with that headband wig here. Previous headband wig was a straight wig. Today I have a curly wig. So I'm really, if you see me doing my little happy dance right now, but this is a natural color. It's 14 inches long. It's 13 by 6. Curly bob. It's a kinky curly texture. So let's go ahead and have a look at this goodness. I'm happy about me definitely see this being a definite gym wig. I'm not gonna lie, because I prefer these textures to work out in. These are some really tight curls, I'm not gonna lie. Really tight. Natural ear vibe. If you want to comb this out and get a big fro, so be it. This should be really cute. So it has 4 combs on the inside in total, and this is the headband portion. As somebody said in my previous video, basically it's a half wig, but the headband makes it way more presentable and just cute, you know, and well put together looking. The presentation is just nice. So you just lock it up like this, and then you can just proceed to just putting it over your head. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. But I feel like before I do that, I'm gonna wet this hair up, like drench it with water, and then I'll proceed, because I don't usually wrap my curly hair like this. But I mean, you could definitely go ahead and even comb it out and so to get that fro vibe, because I know a lot of girls love that. I actually went ahead and did my edges already. I did a little natural glam, I know it already. So I'm basically going to just slip this wig on. I got it wet, as I said I would. Just kind of slip your comb into your hair or into your braids to just ensure security. I love this. This looks so good. So I got the hair wet, so I'm just, yo, you see those? This is so full and nice. Look at that. And as I said, this is 14 inches long. I'm missing myself. Definitely wearing this to the gym. Like, if you're going out, you can wear this. Like, you can wear this at on absolutely any occasion that you wish. So of course you could leave it like that without anything else to the headband portion, but I got all these little nice cute headbands. Why not go ahead and, I feel like I want to put this one on. Yeah, I'm gonna save the other ones for another time. I'm gonna put this gold on. So you could even just put it in a pot. Look at that. This is game changer. Look at that. Like, who would have thought that? Who would even look at this? Who would look at this and think it's a wig? Game changer once again. Even though I know I gave you guys a previous headband video, like the fact that this is curly and this doesn't take a long time at all. It really does not, guys. Let your girl hook you up and check the link out for this wig in the description. Oh no, listen, if you're somebody who loves curly texture and you love all this fluffiness and you can't deal with the baga fluffiness, not less, this is the wig for you, my friend. This is the wig for you. How cute is that bob? No, that nice. It nice. It nice. I'm not gonna lie, it nice. Why wigs? This me love. This me love. Nice. That's pretty much it for today's video. Another to the point wig video. Like, it really doesn't take a lot of work at all with one of these wigs. Like, it really does not. You saw it for yourself. Literally slipped it on. I did my edges before. I just slipped it on and I'm good to go. Like, just go ahead and give it a thumb up. Check out the information on the wig down below. I'm going to put the link so you can check it out, and just like, if you want to get one for yourself, you go ahead and do so. Like, it's as easy as that. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Ywigs once more for this bomb wig. This is like a wig hack, because you look like, you know, everything is all in one, but it's really like not, you know. Yeah, it's amazing what a headband can do, right? But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and stay tuned for my other videos. Don't forget to still drop your video suggestions. Check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye. Driving me crazy.